Hey guys, welcome to Algo Manifest. It's a new quick update. Why rich guys don't like Bitcoin? So Ray Dalio, which is a very rich guy, big fish guy, founder of Bridgewater Associate, New York bestseller, he always sends very good information about the market, and he talk about Bitcoin and why they are always shy, very shy. The rich guys shy when have to talk about Bitcoin. So I'm going to give you a very fast update. Ray Dalio says Bitcoin is not a very good medium of exchange. That's the good reason they don't like. One of the main reasons rich guys don't like is all these investment fund managers, they have to show income to to their shareholders. The name of the game is income. Show me the income and they go away and leave you alone. That's what all the rich guys are looking for when they find assets. They want the income so they can go and show it to their shareholders. And it's not very good store of hold of wealth. Blah blah blah. Yes, it's true. It's too volatile. It puts people nervous. It's not very good for the merchants to use. All the crypto sheiks will scream at me when I say when they hear it's too volatile. They get very upset with that. There are some platforms you can hedge the volatility, but it's true. It's very wild animal Bitcoin. But it's not the real reason why they don't really like it. If it becomes successful enough, it is a real reason. It's not very good store of wealth. This gets the crypto nerds very upset. The Bitcoiners, a store of wealth, they get very upset when some rich guys tell them that it's not a very good store of wealth. They get very upset with that because Bitcoin moved is moving up, but it almost crashed after its peak in 2017. But this is the real reason I believe rich guys don't like Bitcoin. If it becomes successful enough to compete and be threatening enough to currencies that government control, the governments will outlaw them. That's the real reason. I agree with this. When Bitcoin was going way up, governments what did what did to Bitcoin? They started to asking for a customer list, banning exchange, creating taxations, income taxes, holding taxes, um, asset taxation of crypto access all over the world. So governments can really destroy Bitcoin if they want. We can destroy the government through taxation and its use. Bitcoin could survive taxation by governments, but that won't allow it to be a universal currency, a universal medium of exchange. That's that's the law. That's the power of the governments. So I believe that's the real reason why rich guys don't like Bitcoin too much because they suspect that Bitcoin will be attacked by governments in the right moment, as it was in 2017. And on another ones of the comments, Ray says, I like gold, which is the third highest reserve asset. I can imagine central bank, big institution, investor, business, blah blah blah, using it. If I'm a role, please punch me. Basically says that, and he drops that bomb and runs away. Very shy. They're always shy with Bitcoin because they don't want to confess. If you find the links, I collect financial news from 10 years. The Federal Reserve sent an update on digital currencies. You can read it in the Federal Reserve website. And basically, they say that they need money, they need to run operations very easily, stimulus, and be innovative for running new challenges, cybersecurity challenges, and the way to establish new economic emergency acts and policies and stimulus policies, and blah blah blah. And they also say, hey, digital central bank digital currencies are coming. That's real. and that's a reality. China has moved ahead very rapidly, and they are saying, hey, China is winning the central bank digital currency war. It's the new game for the central bankers. And the Federal Reserve goes ahead and tell you the truth and tell you that they are working with the MIT is creating a new use. They are studying it with researchers. So all the central bankers are really in a technological race, and it looks like China and Japan are maybe the winners in the future, in the near future. But the Federal Reserve also says that they don't want to rush ahead uh, and create a mess. They are very interested in the potential of these technologies for anti-money laundering, counterfeiting, and fraud. They are very interested in the good side of the cryptocurrencies, and we know that this could allow also the control of all the transactions and more social control as the bad side. Um, One of the things that this paradox, if Bitcoin is good or bad, Bank of America, this is an article published by the Zero Hedge, Fed will use digital dollars to unleash inflation, universal income, and debt forgiveness. This is a way of establishing quick and faster ways of creating monetary stimulus. And if you believe the COVID-19 second wave or not, the need of the universal basic income and a quick implementation, okay, this this puzzle, all the puzzles started to match each other. And this could be the name of the game if you believe that a destruction of the world economy and the new configuration, a new order is needed. Well, you need a safety net for the population to keep people quiet or keep the people in order, and the basic ideas of the helicopter money. If you have to move a lot of paper with helicopter as in the era of Ben Bernanke, well, maybe you need unlimited helicopter money, and that can be a reality with central bank digital currencies. Not don't even have to print that much paper. So that's all the reasons, and the charts are showing that Bitcoin is rushing very fast to its previous high in 2008 17. Um, well, here we saw a lot of governments very active with taxation, with asking for customer lists, and they destroy anonymity in the cryptocurrency market. We have a crash and then a fast recovery because people still believe in Bitcoin, and I am with the rich guys. I believe that Bitcoin could, if it's not attacked by governments, it could go really higher, around 23, 24 in the next few years, if it's not attacked. Um, but if it's attacked, I really don't know. Maybe a test of its record highs and then down. But if Bitcoin is not attacked by governments, I believe it will will continue to go up. Um, I am following the gold precious metal markets, and I believe gold and Bitcoin will be looked as an alternatives should a second crisis by COVID happens. So pay attention to Bitcoin, pay attention to gold, and pay attention what the rich guys Warren Buffett was buying Japanese assets, and it's most likely that if we have a new vaccine and the world shakes off the COVID crisis, institutional managers will rotate their portfolio and seek more riskier assets, and that will push commodities up and push money out of the US dollar and maybe more money to Bitcoin, gold, and crypto assets. So stay tuned because the federal debt in the USA is going vertical, and that is what happened in Argentina, and it's bad for the US dollar. So please subscribe and see you in the next video.